Today we're going to look at an impact rated socket set by a company that I must admit I've never heard of. They are the LLNDEI, LLNDEI company. When I went online to look at this, they make a lot of things similar to this one, but this is the 48-piece quarter-inch socket set. Welcome, this is Haku EDC, and today we're going to go over a socket set. In the past, you see me go over socket sets from Hazet, Wera Tool, Check Plus, and my own, and such as the one that I keep on my desk. This is the one I keep on my desk. It's a pretty typical one that I use quite often. It has got your Icon Harbor Freight equipment here for bits, and also your socket set here from Quinn. I have 10 of those, and your Kinepix pliers that include both the Cobras and the regular pliers. I carry a level in here because a lot of times when I want to get this, I'm leveling something out or maybe fixing a TV or frame or making sure that it's on correctly. And I use this, I grab this right away when I need something. The interesting thing about this is impact rated. These are, for instance, the Wera ones are also not impact rated. Maybe something that people grab right away. These Wera ones now are almost 80 bucks. I think I got this when it was in the 40s, and now it's almost twice that amount. I put this kit together, and everything that you want to put in it is probably going to be close to $100 or more. So getting something similar for 30 bucks or less is going to be nice. Let me tell you what's in here now. It has 13 bits from 4 to 14. It's got a 4.5 bit here. Here's a question. I've never used a 4.5 bit. Is that something that people in HVAC use? I'm not in the trades, but I can't think of any place in electronics where someone would want to use a 4.5 millimeter bit. So let me know inside the comments who uses it and when does it get used. I work on pedal bikes, I work on cars, I do DIY stuff at home, and I've never come across that. I do come across a lot of metric sizes, but that's one that I haven't come across. It comes with a driver, and this driver feels pretty nice in the hand. It comes with a 72 tooth ratchet. It's very nice. Let me just say is that I did not buy this. A friend of mine purchased it, and I saw it at his house. It's pretty new. I think he's only had it for a week and a half, but I was doing just a little quick project with my impact, and so I thought, nice coloring. I decided to just get it and use it for, it's basically a 20-minute job that I needed to do. Now that we finished on this side, let's go. It has probably most used bits that people would want to have, with maybe one exception from my point of view. But it's got double the amount of your hexes from H4 to H8. Then it has your torques from T8 to T40. I wish I had a T6 torque. I prefer that than to like the T27, T35 torques. But you let me know in the comments, is a T6 torque more important to like you than a T27 torque is? And I'll show you the torques up close here so that you can see them. Let me get, and you can see it's got some extensions, quarter-inch extension, and a wobble. And here are these. And I tried to, with this wrench, I tried to put on the piece that you would use your torques with, and I found it to be just a little wobbly. I don't know if you can hear that, but it does work. This is not meant for any heavy duty use, and nor would I want to put this inside of anything that is impact rated, because I do believe it's just a little too loose for that. But otherwise, this is a pretty nice kit. It comes with a lot of things that you want to use, that you would put in. Like I said, I did use it let me turn this off, make sure it's off. And I put this in here, and I think I use this 8, put it in there, and I'll just do this so that you can see you can see how well it works or doesn't work. Sounds, it's pretty solid on there. And I think that it'll be something that someone might want to be able to use. So that's its use here. And just be aware, what I have figured out is that on these things here, there's a little indented there and there's a bubble there. If it's a little loose, but it does work, what I try to do is I try to put it in so that the bubbles aren't there, and then it's a much tighter fit, but it's not as secure. So that's the downside to this particular item. Once again, this is just a quick overview of the LLNDEI 48-piece. Hey everybody, this is Haku EDC. Have a great day, and I'll put a link in the descriptions to this for anyone who may want to purchase it on Amazon. Haku EDC, please comment, please share, and please like. I'm trying to get to 1,000 users. See you in the future.